Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to incorporate or add image sections to your HubSpot content, such as your emails or your landing pages or automations and so on. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you have your HubSpot account set up like I do here. And once you're in the dashboard, like so, you'd want to navigate to the marketing tab found on the top left corner of the screen. So there's contacts, conversations, marketing, sales, and so on. So from here, you want to select marketing. And when you click on this button right here, a drop down should appear with a bunch of different options to choose from. Now from here, you get to do, you get to add images to your ads or your emails or your newsletters, your landing pages, your content such as website pages or blog posts, so on and so forth. Now in this example, we'll be doing one for email. So when we go to click on email, let's create one from scratch. So we're going to do a new one. Click on set it up yourself, and we can choose an email type for the format. We can do a regular one, create a beautiful personalized email, and send it to a segment of your contacts or a group automated, so you can create a personalized email that's automatically sent to contacts through a workflow, or you could do a blog post. So let's go for the first one, as this one is the most basic. And here we get to choose a template. Actually skip tour here and just select a basic template. So let's do promotion, for example, or honestly let's do e-commerce welcome, because this way this will showcase the image aspect of our newsletter. So for example, as you can see here, when you guys go to add a new element to your newsletter or your email, you get to select image. So I'm going to drag this container onto here, and then you're going to select an image directly from your assets library from HubSpot, or you could upload one directly from your computer storage. So I'm going to select upload, select a random image. Now I'm pretty sure you guys can't see because this is on a different window, but I'm just going to choose one randomly. So let's actually go for this one right here. Hold on. Let's do this guy. Okay, click on upload. Actually, select this rather. And here we go. We're able to import the image onto our email. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.